my friends, Brian back with the Vechain VET token update here. And we're going to put together a little bit of, we're going to crunch some numbers and see if Vechain can realistically hit a $2 price target here next bull run. And we're going to do that with the calculator. We're going to, the right way to do it. Anybody can say, oh, Vechain's going to hit a $5 price tag, but they don't put no numbers behind it to back it up. So we're going to do that, and everybody can make up their own mind on that. I have no opinion one way or the other. Personally, I think Vechain is a fantastic project. Nothing but good things to say about it. I have been mesmerized by Vechain since I first read about it. So we'll do that here shortly. First off, we're going to take a quick look at this chart. Okay, we have, this is on the 4-hour here, okay, we are coming up to a pinch point here between support and resistance. We have this support line that started back here on March 10th, March 11th, okay, we've been riding that support the whole way up here. Okay, now we're coming in and crashing into this resistance at 0.0252. Alright, so we're coming to a head here. We need to bust through that, obviously. It has been resistance back here, here. We fell through it here. It's been resistance there, and we're making another run at it here. We're on an uptrend, obviously, and quite honestly, I see us busting through that. I don't think Bitcoin is done at all here. Let's look at these RSIs real quick to see if we have any hints with that. Okay. All right, the 4-hour is coming up, and those of you that are new, I'll put an arrow here so you know what we're talking about with the relative strength index there. The 4 has some room up. The ones at the top are daily is at the top. Okay, let's look at the 8 and the 12 real quick. The 8's on its way up. That's great to see, and the 12's on its way up. So we got some, I think we have some room up left, and not financial advice, folks. I'm not qualified to do that stuff, but I just show you what I see in the charts here. Okay, this thing's, like I said, it's coming to a head one way or the other. Something's got to break here. Okay, we're running it's almost like a wedge pattern almost, but we need to bust through that. Then our next major resistance after that is up at 0.0266. And we will hit our price target here that we've had up here for the last week and a half. So Vechain's looking strong here, So everything kind of is really. We're up 2.55% for the day, and Bitcoin is looking fantastic. Let's get a quick look at it real quick, and then we're going to move on and get to these prices. But look at this. Bitcoin is looking fantastic. This thing just set another higher high this morning. Not much, but it did get a higher high. Okay, you can see right up there, just took out this high here. Okay, this one here, the new high. So yeah, Bitcoin's looking fantastic. It's making a nice run here. I don't think it's going to slow up anytime soon. So let's move on, because I know you guys are here for to see if we can hit that $2 or not. But I got a big story for you first. Vechain has signed a new partnership. Okay, Vechain partners with a world-leading tech company to connect physical and digital billion-dollar market. All right, says here that Vechain has gained 50% year-to-date to trade around 0.024. Here we go. Vechain Network, a top layer 1 blockchain that intends to revolutionize the Internet of Things through well-designed smart contracts, has continued to build much-needed connections amid the crypto winter. The Vechain Foundation has partnered with many supply chain companies around the world to streamline their business operations. In recent updates, Vechain Network has announced a strategic partnership with Authentic 8 to enable global businesses to find the perfect balance between the digital and physical worlds. Notably, the Authentic 8 team has in the past 7 years been working to help businesses obtain operations transparency through blockchain technology. Reportedly, global companies working in the automotive, jewelry, and food industry have sought Authentic 8 to scale their business in a cost-effective environment. Interestingly, Authentic 8 has partnered with Vechain's top NFT marketplace, dubbed World of V, to enable businesses to tap into the digital technology world of V noted. It says here, in order to achieve the highest level of authentication transparency, Authenticate has combined Vechain's top features. As a result, businesses can tap into blockchain tech without having to develop the underlying solution. It looks like it's a German company here. Vechain plus Authenticate. Worried about security in your blockchain solutions? With Authenticate's boss, you can rest easy knowing your data is secure. Yeah, so pretty cool. Another, and it says here that the Vechain has a total valuation of approximately $2.1 billion. All right, I live in the United States, and I know there's some professional sports teams that aren't valued that high. So for a young company, you know, boy, $2.1 billion, that's a nice valuation. Vechain is constantly striving for partnerships and to keep growing, and that is fantastic to see. I love reading stuff like that. So there's a new partnership for you. Here's the crypto bubbles, the top 100 coins. You can see out there a lot of green today. This is on the daily. FTT, I did a video on that. If you haven't heard, there's rumors circulating that FTX could possibly relaunch. Okay, take it for what you want. You might want to go read up on that, but you know, I don't know. It's hard to say. I don't have opinion one way or the other. A lot of hard feelings with all that stuff that went down. Not with me personally, but a lot of people lost a lot of money, and yeah. But here is on the hourly. You can see we're having a small pullback here. Nothing major, just some RSIs overextended. Okay. Here's the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Market cap is up 1.5%. Volume is up 3.35% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is at 45% flat. And the Crypto Fear and Greed indicator is at a 61 today. We were at a 65 yesterday. We're still in the greed. All right, here's your top gainers and losers for the day. You can see Vechain is down here, right down here. 38 million in volume over the last 24 hours. Okay, that's the top 100. Not a whole lot of red for the daily, and the red that is there, I mean, the biggest one is 3.6, you know, some stacks, so not a lot out there. All right, let's get into this. Okay, I know everybody's here for this, what we want to take a look at here, and we got to go to, let's go to ranking here. We got to break this down by the numbers. One other thing I want to show you real quick before we do this, just to prove a point here with Vechain. The technicals, not only are the charts, you know, looking good, but look down at your bottom right hand corner here. Okay, well, there's your performance over the last week. We're up 3.8. Last month we're up 7. Last 3 months we're up 33%. Year to date we're up almost 59%. And the technicals, Vechain is a strong buy right now. So you know, this thing's almost pegged out on this this meter, and this is from Trading View. But all the technicals, they take the RSI, everything. You know, if I hit more technicals, you know, there it is. 0 sell, 10 neutral, 16 buy. You know, the moving averages are a strong buy. The oscillators are a buy. You know, this thing. Look at that. Almost everything. You don't see that very often when you look down through these. I look at these things every day on these coins. Very rarely do you see all of them saying a buy or a neutral. So Vechain is looking fantastic, that's for sure. I just wanted to show you that real quick because I think that's pretty important. But let's find VET down through here. There we go. There's Vechain. Okay, there we go. 72 billion coins circulating. Okay, last bull run, the last bull run we had 64 billion circulating. Okay, that was this is from 2021. Okay, so let's say Vechain, let's shoot for 58 cents. You know, we have an all-time high. I think it's at 28 cents. Okay, so if we wanted to hit 50 cents for Vechain, okay, let's move this. I want it where everybody can see it here. Let's put Vechain right up here. Let's put this calculator right here. Okay, so 0.50 times the circulating supply, 72, 511, 146, 418. That would give us a market cap 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I apologize for counting. There's no decimals. $36 billion. Okay. If we go back to the last bull run, $36 billion. That would put us right around Dogecoin's last market cap in the bull run. Okay, that's when Dogecoin was 26 cents. Polkadot was 52 bucks. This is when Bitcoin hit its all-time, the day before Bitcoin had its all-time high. November 7th, November 8th was the all-time high. I couldn't get that on the historical snapshot, but yeah, so that would put us that 36 billion. That would put us, like I said, right around Dogecoin. Doable? I absolutely think so. Okay, so let's go back here again. $1. Let's shoot for that buck. Okay, realistically, $1, 1.00 times 72,511. I could do it without the calculator, but we're just going to do it this way so everybody's on the same page. It should give us the same number. Yeah, $72 billion. Okay, for Vechain to hit $1 the next bull run, we would need to hit $72 billion. We would have to be right around Solana's market cap last time. Now, granted, these market caps here, the next bull run, these market caps will probably double or triple for these coins. They're not, Bitcoin is probably going to have a $2 trillion market cap. Ethereum's going to be over $1 trillion. ETH is going to break $8,000 next bull run. Not financial advice or anything like that. That's my belief. Okay, that ETH will bust $1 trillion. Binance coin, that's probably going to break $1,000. So it's going to put it up around 200 billion. Solana, who knows with Solana, a little bit of uncertainty out there, I guess, with it right now. I don't know, but Cardano, Cardano hit right around $3 last time. That I can see that thing hitting $6-7. So 2, 4, so that's going to be 3 times. That's going to be about $200 billion. So for Vechain to hit 72 billion, is that doable? I am going to let you guys make up your mind on your own here, but let's see what $2, or even let's go with $1.50 first, all right? And you guys are going to make up your own mind here. I'm not going to have an opinion one way or the other because I don't want to stir up any controversy. I love Vechain. Me personally, I think it'll absolutely hit that dollar mark. So any higher than that, I don't know. We'll have to, let's crunch the numbers and look. 108 billion for $1.50. 108 billion. 108 would put it at Binance's market cap, the last bull run. Okay, can it do that? All right, I'm going to leave that up to you guys. All right, who knows in crypto? I mean, it's crazy what some of these things have done. I watched Matic go from 4 cents to $3. So who knows? All right, and I'll show you the $2. We'll hit that $2 here and see what it shows. $2 times the 72, 511, 146. 418, and price predictions should be done like this. You got to look at market cap. Okay, you just can't guess. Vechain with all of its partnerships and all of the, it's every day it seems like they're turning around with something new or a new partnership or there's news out there, and it's definitely an up and coming. 145 billion. All right, historical snapshots. 145 billion would have put it between Ethereum and Binance. For a $2 Vechain, 145 billion. That would have doubled Solana. Would have doubled Cardano. So you have to make up your own mind with that one, guys. I don't want to say either way. You never know in crypto, I guess, right? So, all right, please hit that subscribe button and please hit that thumbs up. I would appreciate that so much, guys. That's the way a price prediction should be done. You know, you can't. Nobody can predict the future, but if you put the market cap and the numbers together, that's the way it should be done to see if something is realistic. So thank you so much, guys. God bless all of you and have a great day.